Hey, welcome everyone to another video about DevExpress and Blazor. Today, we are not going to talk directly about SAF, but actually this is a solution that we are integrating in SAF, but it relates to the pivot grid. So basically, we have the pivot here on the DevExpress documentation. And if we see, we can check the view source and we see that we can declare our markup with our pivot grid fields, and this will be to the row section, this will be to the column section, this will be to the data section, but it's going to be a summary type of type zoom. And if you see, you can actually build all your pivot here and just connect it to data, but it's not like we are used to that. You can actually here come and drag and drop and select new fields and go from there. So we did a quick proof of concept. Let's take a look and then we come back to the implementation. So basically what we talk about is doing ourselves a little bit of UI, and we could have done some type of drag and drop, but we wanted to stay on the DevExpress side. So we basically use a radio button, and then you say, okay, this field, and we select these fields based on the metadata of the class of your entity and so on. And you say, okay, this field will be to the row, this will be to the column, this will be to the row, this will be to the column, this will be for the data, and this will be sum, but you can select minimum, maximum, average, and this will be. And basically, when you do that, you paint your pivot pretty nice. Do you want to change something? So you basically deselect or move them around, and you say, okay, and then you say count, or so you have the choice to have your pivot here in any of the combinations that you want. And basically, it's just a couple for each. So we are going to be storing what are going to be the fields that are going to be on the row section, on the column section, on the summary, and not only that, what type of summary you want. And with that, you are able to state has changed and refresh and change your pivot. So what do you think, Coach?
So basically, all the APIs are there to do all the stuff, to get the rows, to get the columns. So there is no UI, and that's the implementation in general.
Yeah, exactly. We're just filling up the gap. And to be honest, I'm pretty sure that in the next couple months or maybe next year, I haven't seen it on the roadmap. That's why we decided to go ahead. But when they release the official version, we will actually move to that one. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.